How to mute chats in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute chats in WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And now here once you're inside the chats tab of WhatsApp, you can just open the conversation that you want to mute. And now here, once you're inside the conversation that you want to mute, what you can do is you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu that appears, what you can do is you can just tap on the mute notification option. And now here once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu you can choose how long you want to mute the chat, such as 8 hours, 1 week or always. So here you can just select the option, and once you're done with that, you can just tap on OK to save your changes. And that's it. That's how you can mute chats on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.